Good afternoon, my fellow followers and subscribers. It's quite a long period of time. It's been a while I brought to you the updates on the projects at Lakeview. I think since last year, August also, that's when we are at the stage of plastering. Yeah, I can remember. So ever since then, we've moved on onto a series of another stages. That's the screening of external wall, screening of internal wall as well, the screening of the perimeter fencing, filling of the compound, before that piping of ground work to the sockeway, and the filling of compound, taking our level for the compound filling, so we actually did that just to cover up the pipe, so to avoid some breakage. So that's not the stage yet, but at least just to fast track and move on with the project. So we have to do the compound piping and do a little bit some filling to cover up the pipe from any hard substance falling on top it. So the project has so much moved on since the last time I brought to you the update. We've done the screening, the external cladding. We can see the facade now. The facade is now coming out to the way it was in 3D. So the cement board of the facade, those angles you're seeing, was made with cement board. So there were there are metal that were welded inside those cement board that give us that shape. So then we cover those metal with cement board, then screwed it. So the external wall has been screwed. I will move the camera close to the building and to show you the details of this explanation I'm giving you. So as well as the staircase as well too. If you check our 3D, you can see that the staircase inside our 3D is spiral. So we gives off the sharp smoothing edges of the staircase, and the staircase was actually being made with cement board as well. So all our cantilever this side was cement board. So this is the cement board I was trying to explain to you. So it's a material that resists water and sun. So the more water touches it, the more stronger it becomes, same as sun. So it's water resistant. So the whole of this cantilever were being used with the cement board all the way down. So you can see the cantilever is about 1.2 meter projected outside. So we're going to have a track light underneath cantilever, as you can see. So from the ceiling of the cantilever, so you see cement board of the both side, you can see. So same thing to the internal ceiling as well too. The internal ceiling were being used with gypsum board. So there's a difference between the cement board and gypsum board. This one I'm showing you is cement board. The internal one is gypsum board. The difference between this material was that one has resistance of water and the other doesn't. Here you go. So one is being mainly used inside interior, while other is used for exterior. So the blue, the light blue you're seeing is an access panel that give you access into the ceiling. So at least the whole of the the board were being covered, or there should be an access whereby if there's any maintenance or any faulty thing, as you can see here. So these are AC ducts. So in case in the future, probably maybe this AC or any mechanical plumbing material as fault, so there should be an access whereby you can go into the building and access to repair all this maintenance. So this is the access panel to give you access into the inner of the ceiling. So the whole of our interior, the whole of our internal have been done with cement gypsum board. Yeah, we also call it plaster board. So why the external is being used as cement board. So it's two different material which serve different function, which serve different purpose. Gypsum board cannot be used externally because once rain touches, it spoil. Cement board it can be used both internal and external as well too. It has resistance of water and sun. So you can see all around that we've done all the ceiling work of this level, just this little area that remains. Well, we wanted to do some adjustment with AC. That's central unit AC. That's why all this is still being left undone. So to the aluminium, all our aluminium has been installed, dressed, frame. These are the casement window, which everything has been well installed, and the bricklayer people has dressed the whole of thing. So let me take camera back to the external to explain the cement board as well that we used to achieve this our facade. So you can hear the sound. So it's cement board that give us that we was able to use to achieve this shape all the way up like that. Because to achieve this shape with concrete or block work is going to be very difficult. Not difficult, but at least not advisable because of the weight and the load that the building will incur. So cement board give us the shape of achieving, give us a way to achieve the shape of this, the shape of what we have in the 3D. So both the internal and external of the ceiling has been done properly. So these are casement window. We have casement window, we have sliding door, and we have a long aluminum opening. So this is the staircase. The staircase as well too were being used with cement board. You can see if you check our 3D very well, the spiral goes all the way up like that with smooth surface and edges. But with the experience, because achieving what you have in 3D into reality, so give you so much thought and thinking on how this is going to happen. So it's still the same cement board material that were used to achieve this spiral staircase. It has been screwed but not yet screwed very well. So once everything comes out to you can see the beauty of this staircase. So let me take the camera up and show you more of how far we've gone with this work. So the staircase, you can see how the curvy goes. So we're able to achieve the curvy shape with cement board, but it was being reinforced with metal and some aluminum material, as well as the material that comes with cement board, the wall angle, the what's it called, wall angle profile, and etc. like that. So the ceiling board of this internal area as well too has been installed. So these spaces are spaces where the AC will be blowing out from the ceiling, because we had a central AC unit in this project, not the regular AC that was being mounted on the wall. So you can see how wide this opening is. It's going to be a sliding window, very wide, and have a view of the entire places. The board here has been installed as well. Yeah. So we're still doing some maintenance of AC units in this bedroom. We have a large opening here as well too, a small casement window. All our window has been installed. We tend not to have put the glasses to this large opening, just what's it called, to avoid the breakage or anything falling on top of the glasses, because the stage where we are now, we still have some hard work doing along the way. So in doing so, might cause a damage to the glass. So both the toilet, casement window, and the ceiling all have been installed. These are the two sliding doors that leads to the terrace outside of the master of the family lounge. Here we are, here is the family lounge. So there's a terrace on family lounge. The slanting you're seeing over here were being achieved with cement board as well too. So, and that's where it was in our 3D. The slant inwardly, and this thing could avoid any water splashing towards that direction. That's why we achieved this shape of thing. So water splash, the water coming up just goes straight down instead of following the angle of the slanting. So here the terraces, these are the two openings which the framing has been installed and dressed by the bricklayer. This same bedroom as well too has a little maintenance of central AC unit there where they're still ongoing. So you can see that at least still on processing. The aluminum frame has been installed as well as the casement window for the toilet. So the work has moved on very well. So all the internal and external wall has been screeded. This is a continuation of the spiral staircase to the last floor. So both the spiral and other edges of the cement board you can see clearly now. This is the cement board. But they were a firm and rigid metal that served as a skeleton to hold the cement board firmly. Nothing can wrong with this. You can see the sound. So after the metal work has been done, then we use these are the metal that we use in achieving this spiral shape of the staircase and all of that. You can see. So you can see the cement board clearly here now. So this is the way it was before. Then we screed it, give it this color. You can see it. So the color of this screeding is just because we use a black cement. Yeah, and black cement is very good and it's economical. Exactly, very good and economical. So that's why it gives us this color. For the ceiling, we're going to be using white cement. So that white cement is quite expensive. Yeah, and it's beautiful as well too. But for the black cement, it's very strong. It gives you and resists all sort of damages or substances that could affect where you're screeding the surface you're putting the screeding on top. So those are the difference from the black cement and white cement. So black cement is very strong, economical, and good for external purpose. Yeah, external purpose. So you can use it as internal as well. So it's not bad for internal because it was black cement that we use all in our internal wall. Hey guys, so because we moved towards our building is towards the canal, towards the river. So at least should in case you're going to have any underpilling, so the black cement as well can prevent all that with the mixture of waterproofing, top bond, gum, and all other material that are mixed together that give you this color of black cement. Here you go. So we use black cement both for the internal wall and external wall as well. So these are master toilet. So this is a duct. We're using cement board to cover this duct as well too. So from this level up is going to be what's it called, a railing where you can have an access into the any faulty pipe inside in the future. The sliding glass of the casement window, the master bed as well has been installed. So these are the two conceal WC for the master bed, the wall shower area, the basin area, the pipe for the bathtub around there. So this wide opening glass, the master who owns the house has access to feel the whole of the atmosphere outside there. So coming to the dressing area, this is the closet area for the master. So the work is still ongoing at this place as well. Just remember. Like that. So for the white cement, the POP cement for white cement is ongoing. You can see the difference now. They're using white cement to screen the plaster board here, and we use black cement for the wall. This is white cement, this is black cement. You can see the difference. So this look white and goes well with the color of what's it called, if you intend painting your internal room as white. So with that, the whole thing is fantastic and come off nicely. So they've started with the screeding of the ceiling as well too. You can see the screeder are there doing the job. So these are the two access sliding door that goes to the balcony area, and the master bedroom has this wide opening window, which give the master to have access into the river, into the canal that's behind of the building. You can see the grass that cut this green area, it's water. So the whole of this place, it's water. So the master can have access into the view of this water. So the work is still ongoing, and it's still ongoing work. So to the outside of the terrace, we use cement board to cover this side as well. We are going to have a jacuzzi at this place. There's going to be a jacuzzi at this area, whereby the owner of the house can sit inside the jacuzzi to relax and have some relaxation. Still have a view of the river behind him here. So we are flooring here to slope the level of the water outside. So the cement board, we use so much of cement board for the external wall and internal as well too. Same as the plaster board for the internal. This is the office with wide opening as well. There's still some maintenance going on here as well too. They're still bringing cement, what's it called, plaster board here to cover this area as well too. The work is still ongoing, still going on. Just stay tuned and enjoy the process and the progress of this project. I promise, as I promised earlier on, to bring you updates of each stages of this. And henceforth now to the finishing stage of this project, I will be giving you the tips, the stages and the process of this project back to back. It's a very nice project that the client has been spending so much. You can see our swimming pool here. So, and this is the sitting area, the sitting room. You can be sitting inside your parlor here while you're having the view of the pool here. Behind this pool here is going to be a pool deck where you can have some relaxation, you can have some, what's it called, refreshment, same as the front here. Yeah, you're going to have some a pool deck here. We're going to be using WPC to cover the top. So the level of our pool is going to be seamless to the tips of this swimming pool. Over there where you see irons, we're planning to have a gym. Yeah, there's going to be a gym with what's it called, a movable material, a container, or you could use cement board as well to construct that. Yeah, so cement board can be used as in it's the material it's so good that you can use it for so many things. For internal work and external work, cement board is fantastic. So we have this two wide opening door, and this is our sitting room area, sliding at both ends. You can see. Just stay tuned and enjoy the view and the video of this project as we bring it to you henceforth. Actually, this is the main entrance from the main building. Yeah, when you come in, you park your car, you come in from here. This is the staircase that goes in. This is the anteroom, and we have the toilet here. Here we have a flower pot. Yeah, we have a flower pot here. Have another view of our staircase clearly here. All the way down up, it's glass that you can have the beauty, the view of this spiral staircase from outside. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing.